Were you giving your baby some water? Is she thirsty? Oh, are you thirsty? Good drinking. Oh, it's time to give your baby some water. That's good, yeah, she needs water too. Good job, you're so thoughtful. You're so good to your baby. Is today Wacky Hair Day? Yes.
Did Mommy make you a little curl up top? Okay. Oh, good standing. All the way up. Good job.
Good standing.
Gonna
Oh.
walk to Mommy? Gonna walk? Walk. It's not walking. Almost. Good job. Good job. Yeah, Mommy's shirt. She's all fancy because she has to go to work.